What's up, everybody? It's John Baptiste here, your friendly neighborhood DeWalt rep. I'm here at United Tool and Fastener. I know it's been a while, but that's because I was talking to the project managers, the product team, the research and development team. And what we came away with are some new and improved, very innovative tools, mainly for my mechanical, plumbing, HVAC guys. So, to start off, without further adu, the first tool up here that you see, the DeWalt copper tubing swedging tool, right? The DCE450D1. You can find it here at United Tool and Fastener. A few details about the tool, a few of the smaller sizes, because smaller diameter soft copper is a bit more sensitive. You're gonna get a 2-stage collar on some of the sizes, such as a 3/8. Other ones include the 7/16 head and the 5/8 head, right? On any given battery charge, you're gonna get about 620 expansions. That number is also gonna increase the larger the battery. If you know anything about DeWalt, if you've been following us for a long time, or if you have DeWalt tools, you know one of the biggest features and benefits about DeWalt is that we have one battery for all of our tools. So if you want, you can put a 60-volt battery on here, but this tool is a 20-volt tool, so it's gonna come with a 20-volt battery, and with that battery, you're gonna get 620 expansions. Bigger battery, that means that number is gonna increase for more productivity. So, just to start off, so you can see how it works, I have my 3/8 head, I have 3/8 soft copper, I have the collar with the 2-stage turn dial on it. What you wanna do is, of course, you want to get the material right onto the head as close as possible. Again, it's on the first stage, and you'll see as I go to the second stage, it'll increase it even further. Now on stage 2, you're gonna see this copper piece get expanded even larger. And now I can connect my pieces, and then you're on to the next stage of soldering and brazing it. Now the true value in this tool is that you're basically making copper fittings using the copper. If you know anything about copper heads or copper fittings, when you're running lines or if you're pressing lines, those copper head fittings can be a little expensive. So you're gonna save money using the tool to become another tool, basically. Right, so you're going to use the copper to connect to another piece of copper, and then you can solder and braze it, and you can continue to run your lines. This tool is on sale here at United Tool and Fasteners for $598.96. It's going to come with the tool, it's going to come with the heads, it's going to come with the grease, the battery, and the charger. You can find it here at United Tool and Fasteners.